Let's dive into the world of propagating houseplants from cuttings in November. Even if you live in a cold climate, you can still grow these plants with a little bit of care and attention. First up, we have the Pothos. This low-maintenance plant is one of the easiest houseplants to propagate. Simply snip a healthy 5 to 6 inches long stem from the vine. Remove any lower leaves near the cut end and transfer it to soil or water until it develops roots. Next, we have the spider plant. These plants produce spiderettes or baby plants on long arching stems. Cut off one of these baby plants along with a bit of the stem and place it in water or soil to root. Snake plants can be propagated by offsets, dividing the rhizomes, or by leaf cuttings. In November, leaf cuttings can be placed in the soil to grow new plants, and by spring, they'll be ready for planting. African violets are another great houseplant that can be propagated from leaf cuttings. Select a healthy leaf, cut it into sections, and place them in a pre-moist potting mix. Jade plants are probably the easiest houseplants that can be propagated from stem or leaf cuttings in November, especially in frost-free climates. Allow the cut ends to callus for a couple of days, then position them in well-draining soil. Rex begonias are admired for their stunning and unique foliage. You can propagate this plant from just the leaf cuttings or stem cuttings and place the cut end either in soil, following the traditional method, or grow it in a beautiful vase of water. Flowering kalanchoes are best known for their vibrant, long-lasting blooms and resilience, making them a gorgeous addition to your indoor collection. They can be grown from stem cuttings. It's super easy to do this successfully by allowing them to callus. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more great videos. We'll see you next time.